Good morning, everyone. So here we come to the second part of the chapter. That is topic the Russian Revolution. So there was the fall of monarchy in the February 1917, an event of October, normally called the Russian Revolution, and that is Tsar Nicholas ruled Russia in 1914. So वो जो monarchical fall हुआ and after that वो टाइम पीरियड इज़ नोन एज दी फेवरन जो इवेंट्स हैं अक्टूबर के दैट इज़ नोन एज दी रशियन रेवोल्यूशन वी विल सी इट इन डिटेल नाउ बिफोर दैट वी विल बी सीइंग कि इकोनॉमी एंड सोसाइटी यानी व्हाट वाज द सेटअप ऑफ द सोसाइटी है ना एंड व्हाट वाज द रीज़न बिहाइंड द Russian Revolution. So over here, almost 85% of Russian were agriculturists and were major exporter of grain. Second, we can say industry was found in pockets mostly located in St. Petersburg in. And it was set up in the 1890s when the Russian railway extended and investment in industry increased. Coal production doubled and iron and steel output quadrupled. So most industries was private property of industrialists and government क्या करती थी they used to supervise large factory to ensure that minimum wages and the number of working hours but factory inspector would break the rule and increase the working hour by 5 hours to 10 to 12 hours. Yes. So workers were even the workers were divided into different in the small groups on the basis of village they came from and on the basis of skills also. Women made up 31% of the factory labor in the 1914 and but paid less than men. So this was the societal or the factorial setup in the also you can say working population in Russia was different from the other countries in the Europe before 1917. That is before the time of Russian Revolution. Why? Because Russians had no respect for nobility. Nobles got their power through their services to the Tsar, not by local authority. Russian peasants wanted land of noble to be given to them because as we have seen some socialists also they were against the private property. Yes, so that's why peasants refused to pay rent and even murdered landlord. They pulled their land periodically and their commune divides it according to their individual families. Now socialism in Europe. Before 1914, all political parties were illegal. Why? Because there was the monarchical form of government. Yes, so Russian Socialist Democratic Workers' Party was founded in 1898 by socialists who respected Marx's ideas. Now, socialists in 1900 formed Socialist Revolutionary Party who struggled for peasants' right and demanded that land belonging to noble should be given to the peasants. So there should be no more private property. So Social Democrat disagreed with the Socialist Revolutionary about peasants. Lenin, who led the Bolshevik Party, who were actually the leader of the Bolshevik Party, felt that peasants were not one united group and they themselves are divided as rich, poor, liberal, and capitalist. So Lenin thought that the party should be disciplined and control member and quality of its member. There were other one more party that was the Mensvik thought that party should be open to all. So there were ultimately two party was created, Bolshevik and Mensvik. Bolshevik were the one who was very strict to their rule कि कौन ज्वाइन कर सकता है पार्टी कौन नहीं ज्वाइन कर सकता है yes but Mensvik were the one जिन्होंने सोचा कि पार्टी ऐसी होनी चाहिए कि anyone who is interested they can join their party yes after that a turbulent time in the 1905 revolution. So what happened? Russian was an autocracy. Yes, you can see the meaning over here. Unlike other European rulers, even at the beginning of the 20th century, the Tsar was not subject to parliament. So the Tsar was not subject to parliament, and liberal wanted to end the state of affairs because they want to end the monarchical form of the government. So both social democrats and socialist revolutionaries demanded a constitution during the revolution of 1905, and this gave the birth of bloody sunday. जो एक हम event की बात करते हैं, what exactly the bloody sunday is, it is given in this paragraph. That is, so what happened, what exactly is bloody sunday is. So in 1904, prices of essential goods rose so quickly that the real wages declined. By the 20% membership of workers were dismissed at iron works. So what happened, job कम हो गई, wages कम हो गई, but the essential goods prices rose. Obviously they will be in a revolting situation. Industrial action was called for when 4 members of Assembly of Russian Workers were dismissed. Over 1 lakh over 10,000 workers in St. Petersburg went on strike, demanded for reduction in the working condition. Now this procession of workers led by Father Gapon. Yes, and he was attacked by police. Over 100 workers were killed and about 300 were wounded. Strikes took place all over the country. People established the union and demanded a constitution assembly. Tushar, who was that time जो king था, he allowed the creation of elected consultative parliament or Duma due to political instability. But what he did, he dismissed the first Duma within the 75 days and then re-elected second one. और second one जो parliament जो elect हुई, उसमें the people they were involved was the Tushar's own people. Yes, so that's why he dismissed the first one. So this particular event, because it was the incident of this known as the Bloody Sunday, and started a series of events that ultimately became known as the 1905 revolution. Now the First World War and the Russian Empire. So the First World War broke out between the two European alliances. That was in the 1904, which was popular initially, but later support grew thin and anti-German sentiments ran high. So now because of this, Russian armies lost badly in Germany and Austria between 1914 and 1916. There were several million casualties and 3 refugees in Russia. Now this war was adversely affected on industries that was there in the Russian. Even जो railway का काम शुरू था, railway line began to break in the 1916, और the small workshops थे producing the essential were shut down, and due to labor shortage, as a result, by winter 1916 bread and flour became scarce. यानी जो essential जो खाने की essential थी, that also became very scarce. Yes. So after this we will be discussing the February Revolution. Yes, कि what was the next step, लोगों ने कैसे revolt किया, and the next step in the Russian Revolution. In the next part we will be discussing that.